Well, a call for help went out last night, and it was answered by this morning. Hamilton County's Humane Society is in desperate need of water after yesterday's boil advisory.
Now, that advisory was canceled earlier this afternoon, but people around Hamilton County already flooded that shelter with donations. Our Kevin Rader was there today to see this outpouring of support firsthand.
Humane Society for Hamilton County, how can I help you?
It will be a while before the staff at the Hamilton County Humane Society forgets the flood of 2020.
We were unable to get into the building this morning. There was so much water.
This flood is quite different than Mother Nature's. This was man-made. The boil water warning left the shelter with no other option than to ask for water donations last night. After all, they had no idea at the time how long the order might stay in place.
We're so blessed. I mean, it's hard. We're at a loss for words. You know, it's so hard to explain how we feel and how important this is to us and all of the animals we care for.
Put it on the floor.
The residents
Thank you so much, guys.
You're welcome.
just kept coming.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
They deserve love. And if they need something, we need to give it to them.
So we also share the space with the spay-neuter clinic, and they need water as well, so we're, paying it forward as we can.
The spillover includes the Sally Port, where more water is being stored.
All of this has been since we opened this morning. There were some donations that came in overnight that we encouraged people to just leave outside our front door if they weren't able to get in when we opened at 8.
The Padgetts, Jeff and Donna, answered the call. What made you bring
Well,
stuff
I've adopted several cats from here, and we're pretty good supporters. We bring in food, water, old towels.
It shows that not only is our organization and our mission so important to them, but they care so much for the cats and dogs that are in our shelter, and that's so important for us.
And that is how the flood of 2020 will be remembered. In Noblesville, Kevin Rader, Channel 13, Eyewitness News.
Such a great deed. Even without the lifted boil advisory, the Humane Society says it has now more than enough water for all of its animals. And again, it's all thanks to your generous donation.
You know when you put the call out there, who's your
We're gonna
step
be
up,
there.
right?
That's
They're going
right.
to bring a lot.
They
So,
always bring
nice
it.
going.